Okay, hello everyone. Hope you're all well. Can you all hear me? Hello everybody today. How is it going? Hello, can you all hear me? Can you hear me? Okay, hello. All right, I've seen my favorite people on the channel. Yes. I've seen you guys. Right. Welcome back this week. Let's see who is here today. Who is here today? Let's start with Dinesh. I'm starting with you, Dinesh. Welcome, Dinesh. Leslie, is this your first time, Leslie? Robert, welcome. Takalani, Aglado, welcome. Albert, Siabunga, welcome. Okay, I know when you're joining for the first time. I can see. I know Die Hard is a favorite. Robert is here already. Steve, I think Steve has been here before. Steve, confirm. Dinesh, yes. Albert, welcome. Collins. All right, great stuff. I can see a lot of our people are here already. Brilliant. Yes, Ramesh. Hello. Okay, Abdurazak. Are you sure your email address is correct? If it is, you will surely get it today. Maybe I missed it. I missed you somehow, but you will definitely get it after this conversation today. Hello, Bala. You're welcome, Takalani. Albert, great stuff. Good. Good to see you. Okay. Where are we all coming from today? Which country are we all from today? Let's give a shout. Let's make sure all the continents are complete. Okay, Auntie, you did not get your indicator. All right. Put in your email, you will get it. Unfailingly, you'll get it today. Just pop in your email address. Oh, great, Dinesh. Today's your first day of trading on real account and you made very good profit. Strategy worked perfectly. Great. Excellent. Okay, Robert, Canada. Yes. Albert, Abuja. Takalani, South Africa. Great. Collins, yes. Uganda. Leslie is from South Africa. Agnado is from Japan. Welcome, Agnado. Siabonga, South Africa. Ronki, Lagos, Nigeria. Welcome everybody. Yeah, Dinesh. Welcome today, India. From India. Great. Okay, I saw that your email address and you will get your indicator afterwards. Deepak, India. Great. Bala, India. Yes, we got a lot of us from there today. Isaac, Kenya. Excellent. Die Hard, I know. London, man. London Mayor. Mayor of London, yeah? Oh my goodness. Trading on grits. Is this your first time trading on grits, Kenya? All right. Trading on grits is your first time. Tumelo. Yes. Welcome, Tumelo from Pretoria, South Africa. Lovely Pretoria, South Africa. Great to see you all here today. Very, very great to see you all here. Yes, Die Hard. Excellent. Okay, so Belgium, we have Michael from Belgium. Welcome, Belgium, Michael. Great to see you. Great to see everybody. Yes, you are first time as well. Ozone Vista. Yes, I know. Trading on grid, I know you're first timer. Anthony, Indonesia. Welcome, Anthony. Heru, Hero is Indonesia. Yeah, welcome, Hero. Good to see you here. Excellent. So we seems that all of us are here now, or most of us are here. So we're gonna get the ball rolling now. Okay, Anthony is from Enugu, first timer as well. Great stuff. Okay. So today is the 4th of May. So we are going to review what has happened today in the market, 4th of May. So we are going to first of all introduce the strategy again very quickly and show everybody how we play this strategy, and then we look at the performance in the market today. So let's see, which one do we start with? Let's start with the first one here, euro dollar. Okay, so this is euro dollar for today, and this is the box. Okay, so let's look at the box again for the benefit of everybody. We say we're going to make it 9 to 10. That is 9 GMT. 7 GMT to 8 GMT. And because my broker is 2 hours ahead, it becomes 9 to 10. You know, sometimes I make it 8:59, 9:59. The difference is not much. It doesn't really matter that much. But just keep that hour of 9 and 10. That's what we are interested in. Hours of 9 and 10 if you are IC market. Otherwise, it will be 7 to 8 GMT. So you find your broker time. Okay. So now we got our indicator who says this is the hours of this. We need to draw 2 lines. One is the high of that period, and another line on the low of that period. Okay. Once you draw that line, now the next thing you are looking for is the first candle that formed outside of those 2 lines. Okay. Outside of those 2 lines. It doesn't matter whether it's up or down. We are ready for the market. We just want to see which candle comes outside of the box and does not touch the box. It's completely free from the box. Okay. As you can see in the market today, we didn't go out of the box for a very long time. Okay. Eventually, with this massive candle, we popped out. Okay. We popped out of this box with this massive candle. And that box itself is our number 1 box today. Okay, so for those people that know the magic already of this zone here, it's completely outside, like here, around here, outside here, or 3. Answers, please. Oh, nothing is showing. Okay, it's just the network. It should be. Are we back now? Is it showing now? All right, screen. Screen is starting soon, and I've gone far. My oh my. My oh my oh my oh my oh my oh my oh my. Gee. Oh, I've driven 500 miles an hour, and I haven't carried anybody along yet. Hey man. So we're gonna start all over again then. Okay, don't worry. That's just extra. It's an advantage for you guys coming for the first time. You are going to hear it twice. Jeez. It's showing now. Great stuff. Glad that it's showing now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So let's repeat ourselves. Let me get a cup of water. Let me get a bottle of water and drink first. Oh, yeah. So what are we saying? All right, let's start from the beginning. Okay, so we start from the beginning. All right, so this is the candle, and this is the chart, and this is our indicator here. So I hope you can see now. Okay, so this is the indicator, and the time is 9 to 10. It's 9 to 10. 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. GMT. 9 to 10 GMT. Sometimes I make it 8:59 to 9:59. It really doesn't really make much difference. So you can make it 9 to 10. We're just looking for the hour between 9 and 10. That is if you use IC Market. If you are using other brokers, it's 7 to 8 GMT. So find what that time is in GMT on your broker and then put that time here. Okay. All right. Yes, so let's do 8:59, 9:59. It's the same thing. Watch the candle. What's going to happen to the what is going to happen? 8:59 to 9:59. 9:59. See? There's nothing, there's no change in the candle. Just a little bit. There is absolute no difference. So whether you make it 8:59, 9:59, or 9 to 10, it's gonna be very similar what you get. Okay. So now we have the box. We know how we construct the box. So we are looking for the first candle that formed outside of the box. So the first candle that formed outside of the box and does not touch the box. Okay. All right. So that's where we were earlier before we discovered that we don't have our chart. So we said this is the first candle. That's candle number 1. This is candle number 2. And this is candle number 3. So which one is the candle that is formed completely outside of the box without touching it? Candle 1, 2, and 3. Okay, or I can zoom in bigger so we can see better. This is candle 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3 outside of the box and does not touch the box. Okay, I got a lot of answers here. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. Candle 2, candle 2. All right. Yes, candle 2, candle 2, candle 2. Candle 2, candle 2. Anybody differ? Candle 2, yeah. Excellent. Okay. So we know that candle 2 is definitely, if you say candle 1, you are wrong because candle 1 is touching the line. If you say candle 2, you are correct because candle 2 is outside the lines, outside the box, and it's not touching the line. If you say candle 3, you are partially right. Candle 3 also meets the criteria, but it's not the first one. So we're looking for the first candle that is formed outside the box and does not touch the line. So candle 2 is the correct answer. Well done, everybody that got it right. So now we know our candle. Now we need to find out if we make money. Okay. So now we are going to draw our sell line. We know that we're going to sell at the close of candle 2. That's candle 2 there. So we are going to sell at the close of candle 2. So we pick a sell line. Let me make that sell line a little bit lighter. All right, so that's our sell line. Let's make it big. So this is where we sold at the close of this candle number 2 here, and we are looking for a profit of the size of this box. Our take profit target is the size of this box, and the stop loss is going to be placed at this line here, at the top line, the high line. It's going to be the stop loss for our sell trade. If it was a buy trade, the stop loss will be this lower line. Okay, so let's find what the profit will be. For this one, it's a 22 pip profit. So TP1 is 22 pips from this line here. So let's see if we are able to get TP1 from this line. TP1, we were close. We were close up to 20 pips. So we are 2 pips short of our take profit target, and the market is still going on. The market is not, this is our trade, this is our line, this is our sell trade. So we are still in profit. The market has been kind of meandering today, so it's not been a trendy market. So if you are still in this trade, I will say, look, you can close your trade and wait till tomorrow for another one. Okay, so today you will make your TP1 on euro dollar. Notice that you didn't hit your stop loss. Not at all. It was a safe trade today, though you just made your TP1. Any questions? Yes, 2 is the trigger candle. Yes, Albert. Yes, you can trade Euro GBP. You can even trade GBP JPY as well, or JBP francs, or even JBP Aussie, JBP New Zealand. Anything to do with JBP, you can do them, you can trade them. However, it's meant for GBP USD as a start. So you test it on the other ones. Already seen from Brazil, you welcome. Barry, welcome again. Flanders, yes, no point to leave it right now. You can close it. Whatever profit you have now is okay. You can close it because you know the market is almost dead right now. Nothing is happening. The stop loss, yes. So if you have the reversal and the candle form on the opposite side, yes, that's another trade. So we shall see that. We shall see when the candle opens in the other direction. It's also tradable. We'll see that very shortly if we have the example. Okay. So if you are here for the first time, I hope you're understanding this strategy. So let's move to the next one. Let's try USD Japanese yen next. Okay. This is USD Japanese yen today. The market has been everywhere today. Okay, look like we have a better setup structure for USD Japanese yen. Okay, USD JPY. Right, need some volunteers here to give me some good answers. Volunteers to give me answers. Okay. All right, let's see. We started the market right. This is between 7 and 8 GMT or 9 and 10 IC market, whichever you want to call it. You draw your 2 lines here. So this is your the bullish line here, the bearish line here. Okay. Now, first of all, you see the first 2 candles after our box actually is touching the line. Do they give us a buy trade? Yes or no? Did this one give us a buy trade here? Anybody? Do we get into this trade at all here? Yes or no? Answers, please. Oh, Abdrazak, you're coming for the first time, right? That's why you said no there. That's why you said yes. No, no. Oh, the old students, they know the answers. All right, so don't worry. You will get it. You get it. You see the reason why we don't have a trade very soon. That's why we go over it very slowly. We don't rush it. Right. So you see this actually, as you said, as you can see, it touches the line, but we are not looking for candle that touches the line. We're looking for candle that's formed outside of the box and is not touching the line. Any candle outside of the box which does not touch this line is our trigger candle. The first one that does that is our trigger candle. So this touches the line, even though it punches outside, but it is still inside and touching. So it's not our candle. Neither is this candle also. This is not our candle as well. It is touching and it's still, some of it are still inside. This one also, they are touching and they are not completely outside. Neither this one. So you see how you are prevented from jumping into bad trades. So you never go into this trade, you never go into this trade, you never go into that, never into this. And let's now see the correct trade you should have gone into. Okay, so we are here now. Okay, I'm going to put the number up again, and I want you to give me the number, candle number that is the correct one. Let me make it bigger, so for the benefit of everybody. Good, it's better. So this is candle number 1, candle number 2, candle number 3. Which, or candle number 4, let's make it 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is our trigger candle? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one? We're looking for a candle that is outside the box and does not touch the line. Outside of the box, does not touch the line. The first one. Okay, I see a lot of 3. Okay, a lot of 3. You can create a robot for this strategy for free. Is this strategy that profit to trade with robots? Okay, good idea. Number 3, number 4, number 3, number 1, number 4. Die hard. Die hard. What's going on? What is going on, die hard? Number 4, you said. Where is it? This is number 1. That's number 2. That's number 3. That's number 4. Which candle does not touch the line and is outside? Number 3, number 3, number 4, number 1. What's going on today? Die hard. What's going on? You giving me 4. You are giving me 4. What happened? Yeah, okay. Now you correct yourself. Good. Let me see who's giving me a number that is. Kevin, you are first time, right? Kevin Yuan. If you're first time, then I wouldn't worry too much. Walid, is that your first time? Walid Assad, is that your first time? If it's your first time, I don't. Okay, Walid, say 3 or 4. Okay. All right, Mr. Alex. Welcome, Mr. Alex. Good luck. Good to see you again. All right, welcome. All right, Walid. All right. Check properly. See if it's it's either 3 or 4. Which is it? Is it 3 or 4? Vuyo Tavin, number 2. Vuyo, your first time? Welcome, Vuyo. Your first time? Yes, it is capable of good profit. Yes, just watch what we are doing. You can come on online every time and check it out. We've been going on for a few weeks now, so people here knows the capability of this strategy. Stanley, number 3. Takalani, yes. Yes, it's your first time. Yeah, I recognize that name. That is not a common name here. So welcome. Great stuff. Okay, right. So I'm getting good at recognizing first timers too, right? I hope you clap for me for that. All right, so this one is we said it's number 1. If you say your answer is number 1, it's not right. It is wrong because it is touching the line. If you say your answer is number 2, it is wrong. It is still touching the line. If you say your answer is number 3, you are correct because this candle is outside of the line. It's outside of the box and it's not touching. You can see, if you want to see the 2 lines again, you see these are the 2 lines. This box is completely outside of it and it's not touching that line at all. That's the trigger candle. If you say number 4, you are wrong because number 4 also qualifies, but it's not the first candle. So we are looking for the first candle. So this bearish candle is the trigger candle. All right. I hope we all agree to that. Okay. Now the question is, let's put our buy line now. So let's pick our buy line. We say is this. Where is it again? Where is it? Oh, is this one here? Okay, let's make it clearer. So it is close of this candle here. Close of this candle number 3. That is where we buy from. Okay, we buy from this candle here. And what is our profit? Our profit target for newcomers, TP1, is the size of the box. So you measure what is the size of the box. Size of this box is very small today. It's only 10 pips, just 10 pips. And because it's a buy position, remember your stop loss will be at this bearish line here, the breakout line here. The bottom one is your stop loss because you are buying. Okay, now our take profit is 10 pips. So let us measure if we have 10 pips take profit from where we bought from. We bought from here. We're looking for 10 pips. Maybe we get it. Oh yeah, we got 22 pips. 22 pips. What does that mean? We got our TP1, which is the 10 pips size of the box. And we got our TP2, which is 2 times the size of the box. So on USD Japanese yen today, we got TP1, TP2. Hurrah! Good stuff. Any question, especially from people coming for the first time? Welcome, Walid. You understand now? I'm glad you do. You do. Great. All right, Dinesh. Great. Tony, which pair is this? This pair is USD Japanese yen. USD Japanese yen. This is USD Japanese yen. Any question at all? Right. Shall we move on to the next one? Okay. In the history, sir, you have checked it like 3 or 4 years that it worked. See map, that is the research you're gonna have to go and do. Okay. We got to put some effort in and check it out. But as far as we know, we have checked and seems to be working for GBP USD in the past. The performance of the past is not a guarantee for the future performance. Okay, USD Canada. What is going on there? Tony TT, welcome back. Tony TT, oh yeah, Cape Town, first timer. Good to see you, Tony. Good to see you. We are glad you joined us today. All right, so this is USD card. Let's make it smaller. Let's see the big picture first. All right, this is the big picture. This is a good trade today for USD card. It's a good one for USD card today. Okay. Right. So let's make sure the line now on the box properly. Yeah, is there on the box? They are on the box properly. Yes. Okay. Right. Tell me, ladies and gentlemen, did we get a trade here? Let me make it bigger. Okay. Did we get a trade here? A sell trade? Did we get a sell trade here? Yes or no? Is there any sell trade here? Yes or no? Okay, bullish will say yes. All right. Yes. Anybody else? Okay. Flanders say yes. Yes. Okay. Tony say yes. Yes. Siabonga say yes. Ronki say yes. Yes, sure. I will share it. Agree that code that I coded. Then I will send him and he can. Yes, make sure when you code it, make sure you put the MQ4 and the EX, everything together, okay? Walid, say yes, yes. Die Hard, yes. Deepak, yes. Leslie, yes. Abraham, yes. Stanley, yes. Anthony, yes. Heru, yes. Oh, good. It's a full house. Calvin. How do you get a hold of me? You got my email address. Most of you know my email address right now. Pop me email address and sure I will chat. Okay, right. So what number now? You know we have a trade which is correct. Now let's put a number to which candle. Okay, we are going to say I'm going to start from this large candle. Let's start from this large candle. Let's start from there and call it number 1. It doesn't matter where we start, just number so that we can find out which candle is our trigger one. So let's call this number 1 now, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Which is our trigger candle? Watch properly before you answer. Number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I see 3, 3, I see 5, I see 3. Now we're looking at USD card. This is USD card. We are looking at USD card. Thomas 3, Leslie 4, Akini 3, France 4. Okay, Barry said GBP USD was great for Asian market. Yeah. Die Hard 3, Ganesh 3, Abraham 3, Hero 3. Yes, good. Hero, you're getting it now. Oh, Hero, you say 6. Okay, let's watch it. Flanders 3. Oh, your email address. Okay, if you want my email address, let's give it here. It's stop. Okay, so you are requesting for my email address. There you go. That's my email address if you want to reach out. Walid Assad said 2, Isaac 3, Samuel 2. Welcome Deepak from India. Good to see you. Hey, Die Hard made money in US card. It got to your TP. How do you determine lot size? Okay, that's a special training. I can offer some special training to people that may be interested in that. So to determine lot size, money management, that I can do. Okay. So let's see now, what candle number is that? So we say this is candle number 1. If you say number 1 is your answer, you are wrong because it's touching the line. If you say your answer is number 2, you are wrong because it's touching the line. If you say your answer is 3, you are correct. because number 3 is not touching the line. Okay, it's not touching the line. If you say your answer is 4, you are wrong. Even though the number 4 is also not touching the line, but it's not the first one. The first one is number 3. Okay, number 4 is also correct in terms of filling or meeting the requirements. However, it's not the first one, it's the second one. So the first one is candle 3. Good. So if you say 3, you are great. You got it. Okay, so we know the candle number. Now let's put our sell line there at that candle number 3. I agree, it's a bit difficult. If your chart is not sharp enough, you might not see that number 3 is not touching, but I can see. Okay, right. So this is your sell line and this is your stop loss. So now let's calculate our take profit target. Take profit will be the size of this box. Size of this box. Oh, I like it when the size of the box is big. Yeah, today it's about 27 pips on USD card. So die hard, well done. You made 27 pips today on USD card. Great. If you had done maybe 0.1, a mini lot, that would be $27. It's not bad. All right. So, but if you do a standard lot, you know that's $270. All right, so let's measure. We said it was how many pips? We said it was 27 pips. So our first take profit target will be 27 pips. So we start from where we enter our sell position and we measure 27 pips. We got 27 pips here. Did we get 27 plus times 2? That is 54. Did we get TP2 54? Yeah, we did. We even got to 50, we nearly 58, 59. So we're looking for 54 as our TP2. So similar to USD Japanese yens, ladies and gentlemen, on USD card, we got TP1, we got TP2. Great stuff. All right. Any questions so far? Any question? All right. So there you go. Do anybody want to see any other charts? Adam, if you want ATR stop, this is not the channel for ATR stop. You could go to the YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, watch the ATR video and request for it there. It's easier that way, so that any email address on this chart, they will get this indicator, this session breakout indicator. Yes, this has gone to TP2. As you can see, this has reached TP2 of 54 pips. TP1 is 27 pips. TP2 is 54. So it has hit TP1 and TP2. Okay, somebody wants to see GBP USD. All right, let's get it out. Where is it? It's here, GBP USD. Okay, this is GBP USD today. All right, so this is what happened in GBP USD today. It's a slow market for GBP today. It's no trend and it's just going nowhere. It's been sideways market. Let's look at it. Okay. All right, as usual, do we have a trade here? Do we get triggered into a trade here? Did we get it triggered into a trade here? Yes or no? Did we get triggered into a trade here? Right? Anybody? Yes or no? Yes. Yes. All right. Okay. Yes. 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 Tony Titi. Yes. Flanders. 2 candles. Yes. Yes. Auntie say yes. Anybody thinks no? Anybody with no? Raise up your hand. If you think no. Good, 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 good. Yes, yes, yes. So we got triggered into this trade here. Okay. Right. So you want to ask about stop loss? Yeah, we'll explain that. If it can be the trigger candle. Okay. So now you see this is the first. Let's call this is the candle number 1. It's touching the box. But you can see candle number 2 is not touching the box and is outside of the box. So this is you have been triggered into a sell trade here. Okay. So let's take yeah, that's your sell trade. And where is the stop loss? The stop loss is over here. Okay. Now let's see the maximum pips we've made from this trade. Okay, so we enter from here. The maximum pip we've made is about 14 pips. To this lower point here is about 14 pips. The max we have made, but we are still, we haven't closed the position yet. We can see that currently the position is here. Okay, so this is our stop loss. So it hasn't hit our stop loss yet, neither it hasn't gone to our take profit. So we are still in the trade. But as I said, if you are in GBP USD, I just say, you can stop from here and take little of this stop loss here because the market is almost dead now, and not likely you're going to see any surge up or down. Moreover, this is a daily day trade strategy. So you close your position every day. You don't leave your position open till the following day, because the following day there's another chance for a fresh order, for fresh market. Okay, so there we go. So that's the story of GBP today. Only one trade, and that one trade is still live trade, still going on. But some of us might be, we might be a bit smarter, because when you enter a trade from here, okay, we got into trade from here, and you've made about what, 15 pips, 14, 15 pips. As I said before, when I'm in this kind of a trade and I've seen like 15 pips, 20 pips in profit, and it starts to reverse against me, you know what, when it gets to my break even, or before it gets to my break even, I take like 5 pips or 2 pips and I get out break even, because I know I may have opportunity to come back into that market again. So usually I wouldn't leave my profit, or let my profit turn to loss. A profit of 15, 20 pips turn to loss. So I wouldn't wait until this thing hit the stop loss here before I come out. So that's the difference between when you trade manually and when you do robots. So manually, you can use your judgment sometimes when you see that momentum is dying, or this thing has been, look, it has just been in almost the same spot since. If you draw a support and resistance, you see that this has not been going anywhere since. Look, the highest of you can see that's the higher of that time, and lowest here. So this is the range. It has been in this range almost all day. It has been in that range all day long, right? So in that case, you just take a little profit you have and wait for another better opportunity. Okay, that story of GBP. Anyone else? Anything else? Yes, go ahead and close it. Yes, yeah, you are negative. Yeah, you can go ahead and close it. You don't need to wait until you hit your stop loss. Okay, so let's do one more. I think we've done USD card. Let's do Aussie US. Aussie US, Australia US. All right, similar story here. Okay, I'm going to give you a test on this one, because it looks like it looks strange, like a strange candle. Okay, All right, so this is the box. So we popped out of the box. Tell me which candle number. Let me make it bigger. So this is where we pop out of the box. Candle 1, 2, 3, 4. Which candle number is the trigger candle? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one? Which one is the trigger candle? Which is the trigger candle? Number 3. Okay. Number 3, you said 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, number 3, number 3, number 3, number 3, number 3, number 3. Anybody think otherwise? Anybody think otherwise? Number 3, you said. Okay, number 3. We all seem to agree on number 3. If that is the case, it seems is the correct answer then. I'll take number 3 for the answer, because the whole house has agreed that it's number 3. Who am I to say no to the house? So this is number 1. If you say number 1, you are wrong, because number 1 is touching the line. If you say number 2, you are wrong, because number 2 is touching the line. If you say number 3, you are correct, because number 3 is not touching the line and is completely outside of the box. If you say 4, you are wrong, even though number 4 is also outside the line and is not touching, but it is not the first one you can find. The first one you can find is this very hammer candle. It's the inverted hammer candle. Okay, good. So we know now that we are going to go long here. So at the close of this hammer candle, inverted hammer candle, so we go long here, and we're looking for what number of pips this time? We're looking for this amount of money. We're looking for this amount of money. It's quite some good money as well. We're looking for 21 pips. So the question is, did we get 21 pips from this market that is just moving everywhere? I'm sure we will. 21 pips from here. Do we get 21 pips? Yes, we got 24. So we got our TP1, but I don't think we can get TP2. No. We got TP1. That's fine. So when you hit your TP1, you know, you move your profit, or you move your second position to break even. So if you have done 2 trades, or you have done let's say you've done one standard lot, you will close half of the position at TP1 and the second half of the position at TP2. But once TP1, you've reached your TP1, you move the second position to break even, so that anything that happens, you are going to walk away with at least the TP1, and the second position will be break even. Okay, brilliant. Any questions so far? Any question from anybody? Okay. The house always win. Okay, let's say you win, you missed 3. Can you go into 4 or 5 place? No, because you never know the size of the candle 4 or candle 5. It could be massive candle. Okay, when late to enter at first candle, at what time can one enter again, sir? Okay, so if you are waiting for a candle to qualify, and by the close of European session you don't have any candle that qualify, then I think that is enough. There's no need to enter that to look for any signal again. It's too late, because by then the market is already dead. Oh, gold, one gold, last one, yeah. Nasdaq 100. Okay, let's me see if I have Nasdaq 100. NSD Nasdaq 100 Nasdaq. Where is it? Nasdaq 100. I don't. Oh, I got UK 100 and US 30. I don't think we have NAS 100. Nah, sorry. XAU and what? XAU and what? Do you want to do XAU USD? Okay, XAU USD today. That's good. Maybe gold didn't behave today. Let's see what gold did today. Okay, I think the market has not been trending today at all. Let's see. Okay, let's use one of these old lines. Okay, I got one here. I got another one here. Right. Okay, so let's make it bigger. All right, so it's not been good for gold today at all. See, there's no trend. What I told you earlier, see, it's just a range market today. It's just ranging. In fact, gold will have you will have lost at least one time in gold, because it will have put you in a trade, right? One of these candles will have put you into a trade, and you're probably going to hit your stop loss. And since then, it's been in a range. So when you get a day like this, you remember that it wasn't just for gold. The same thing applies to pound as well. So when you get a ranging day like that, it's not always the best for nearly most strategies. Okay. So anybody wants to see anything else? US Tech. All right. US Tech. All right. This is the US Tech. This is US Tech. Okay. This is US Tech. Looks like it's perfect for US Tech. Let's see if we are not triggered into any sell trade. No. Look at how it saved us. We never got into any sell trade at all. Let me put another line. Make that a big one. So let's make it bigger. All right, so you know that we are not. Did we get into any trade here? I don't think so. Let's make sure we put this in the proper line. Okay. Did we get into any trade here? Did we get triggered into any trade here? No. Okay. So there's no trade here. Not at all. No trade here at all. Let me make it bigger so you can see again. So this is it. This is the three candles. Any trade here? No trade at all. No trade. No trade for us on that candle there. Okay. So now the question is, do we make money? Do we make money from US Tech today? Let's make it smaller. Okay. So to answer that question, we need to first of all measure this box here. So let's measure that box here. 722. 72. Let's do it properly. Okay, 740. 740. Okay, 740. And let's look. Okay, we got into a trade. At this candle here, at the close of that candle. Okay, we got into trade at the close of this smaller candle here, and we're looking for 740. Did we get up to 740? We shall see. Do we get up to 740 from here? 740. Yes, we got 9 something, almost close to 1,000 pips or 1,000 points. Okay, guys, so it worked for US Tech today. Thanks for the guy that suggested it. Somebody wants to see USD Mexico. Let's check USD Mexico. USD Mexico. Where are you? Come out. USD Mexico. Right. So we're using this strategy for everything now. Yeah. Even Mexico is coming into it. Good. All right. Let's see what happened. So USD Mexico. We sure got into a sell trade. Let's see. USD Mexico. Great stock. Look at how we avoid a bad trade there. We avoided all the bad trades. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in so you see. Let's see. This is USD Mexico. Did we get triggered into any trade here? Any trigger into any buy trade here at all? Even they were all touching the line. Did we get triggered into any bad trade here? Yeah? Did we get triggered into any bad trade? No. Not at all. Not at all. Did we get into any of these bad trades? No. We didn't get to any bad trade at all. Sure. No bad trade. So, our rules has helped us to avoid a lot of bad trades. I guess you agree with me. Yeah? So, keep to that rule. Make sure you know what the rule is. And don't make your own rules against that. You can make another rule to improve it, but don't bring that quality of the rules down. Okay? Right. So we got 1, 2, 3, no trade there. So where is the trade then? Where have we found the trade? Yes. Where have you found the trade? So thank goodness we were not triggered into a fake breakout. This is a fake breakout. Our strategy has helped us not to be faked into a buy here. We avoided buying, okay? But our strategy has given us a good sell entry right there. Actually, even this second candle seems not to be touching. Yeah, it seems not to be touching. But if you are not sure, third candle is also as well as good. Either of the candle will work. So if we pick the second candle that is not touching, but if you think it's touching, you can't see properly, we can use the third candle. It wouldn't make much difference. So that is our sell line this time around. Okay. Mexico, what's your profit target? Mexico, your profit target. Gee, it's one. Let me read that to you. 1,830. Hey, 1,830. Okay, so we're looking for 1,830 pips. All right, let's see if we can get that 1,830 pips from here. 1,830 pips. It's still falling, seriously falling. We're looking for 1,830 pips, but we got 4,000 instead. We're looking for 1,008, but we got 4,003. So you can agree with me. You got your TP1, you got your TP2, you got your TP3, and you avoid going into a fake breakout. Fantastic, excellent. Hope you all enjoyed today's lesson. Okay, video from South Africa. All right, we got a volunteer who said he's going to make the EA. When he makes it, he's going to send it to us, and then we will check it out. And I will check it out, make sure it's work. All right, Hero. Good stuff. Any question before we round up for today? It's been a brilliant time. Or somebody wants to see USD Zai again. All right, let's quickly do it. No, USD South Africa, USD ZAR, right? Where are you? Some pairs have trend today, while some pairs have not. So you can see it's a good strategy for USD ZAR, also South Africa. It's a good strategy for USD South Africa today. Yeah. So you will have gone short. So because here there's no buying position, there's no buy at all. See, our bullish line was not touched, was not crossed. There's no candle above that. We only got candle below. And the candle we got here, let's see which one is the trigger candle. Our trigger candle is this candle here, number 2. Let's call it 2. Okay, so that's our trigger candle. That will be our sell line, if that is our sell line. Okay, so we sold there. And let's see our take profit target. What's our number of pips for South Africa? $1,256. 1,250. Let's just say 1,250 pips for easy counting. 1,250. Now let's see if you get 1,250 from here. 1,250. We got 2,222. So we got TP1 at least. I'm probably going to TP2, if not past TP2 already. So ladies and gentlemen, it's been a wonderful time, speaking with you and teaching you today. We've seen a lot of pairs that hit the target. A lot of them hit the target. All of them hit the target. Only one today, GBP USD, that is still, live. It's still going. It hasn't hit the TP and it hasn't hit the stop loss as well. So it's just in between. Okay. I hope I haven't missed any question. I haven't missed anybody. I'm not avoiding any question. If you have any questions, shoot it out. Shoot it out. Okay, right. So, oh, Nifty. Oh, I don't have Nifty here. Nifty should be the Indian market. I don't have it on this platform. Let me check. You never know. Maybe these guys will put it there. Nifty. No, Nifty there. No Nifty there. No Nifty. All right. Okay. Now, if there's no more questions, I would like to take my bow then. And I say thank you very much, everybody. So enjoy your trading tomorrow. And hopefully you will count a lot of pips and a lot of dollars tomorrow, and pounds, and whatever currency that you're trading. Hope it's all good. Okay, so thank you so much. All right, Flanders and everybody else in the house, I'm going to sign up now. It's Dare.